chutties, how are you all? Already we learnt digraphs. Today we are going to do some activities. Are you ready? Let's start. Your first activity. Look at the picture and find out the correct digraph. Look at the picture. Chick. C-H. S-H. Which is correct?
Chick. C-H.
Next picture. Tree. W-H-T-H. Which is correct?
Tree. T-H.
Next. Phone. P-H-S-H.
Phone. P-H.
Next. Shop. S-H-W-H.
Shop. S-H.
Next one. Whistle. W-H-T-H.
Whistle. W-H.
Next. Lock. Ending K sound. C-K-C-H.
Lock. C-K.
Last one. Quill. C-K-Q-U.
Quill. Q-U.
Good job, chutties. Now, next activity. Find out the pictures that start with Q sound. Q-U. Q. Your time starts now.
Quilt. Quill. Quail.
Next one. Find out the picture that have the F sound in the middle.
Dolphin. Elephant. Alphabet.
Now next one. Find out the pictures that end with sh sound. End with sh sound.
Fish. Bush. Dish.
Now next activity. Matching. Look at the picture and match it with the correct sound. Quiet.
Quack sound. Q-U. Quiet.
Next one. Clock. It ends with K sound.
C-K. Clock.
Next. Photo.
P-H. Photo.
Next. Chain.
C-H. Chain.
Shirt.
S-H. Shirt.
Thread.
T-H. Thread.
Well done, chutties. If you like this video, press the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.